I'm out. I don't know if the Twitter post help or hurt, but thanks to everyone. Sorry, I have to delete the Twitter post a little bit. I don't want to cry. It's not a sign of weakness, but this whole day has been long and all the trouble and stuff, and I have to take up a new place. I signed a list, you know. Worker came and helped me to broke the lock because there was a lock. The last winter didn't give me the key, so I cannot open it, and now it's done. And they will move out all the extra furniture I don't need because I'm going to. There are some big machine that's coming in, and I have a big, like heavy duty, maybe milling machine coming in, and lots of Chinese companies are trying to collaborate with me. So I'm looking forward to it. I I saw people comment and ask me how I'm doing. And bad things happen in your life, unexpected things happen in your life, but you just need to stick through it. I'm like, what am I gonna say? Bad things always happen. You need to expect the unexpected things, right? I don't know. It's stressful a little bit, but I think it's workable. I got a space. If I do things right, things got going. I won't be so stressful. But right now, really, my voice. I just lost my voice because all the fighting, negotiation, and stuff. I did ask for this. Nobody asked for this. No, I don't want you to see me look like this, look like shit, look like crap. Other than that, I just keep doing what I always been doing. Shoot a lot of videos, promote Shenzhen tech, promote tech in China. That's what I'm good at. You know, the problem people have a problem with that. What I gotta say. But so far, I have to. I think it's a shithole right now. You see, uh, but I will. It'll be okay. It'll be okay.